Tonight at 6, firefighters here at Station 5 will host a community open event so people can see the day-to-day operations of the firehouse. I went to Station 6 myself last night and learned a few fire safety and prevention tips.
If you're not prepared for a fire, if you don't know what to do, then things aren't going to go as well as it would if you were prepared and had a plan.
As part of National Fire Prevention Week, these guys want everyone to have a plan.
One of Denton's younger locals, Dominic Marks, went to the open house with his parents and younger brother Dean to see fire trucks, but left having experienced much more.
I look at the medical staff, the living room, the back of the ambulance, all the stuff. It looked like a little hospital.
It wasn't all fire trucks and ambulances, though. This year's Fire Prevention Week theme is "Not every hero wears a cape, plan and practice your escape." So attendees leave with homework to search for their fire escape and go over escape plans with their parents.
Definitely my favorite part is all the kids that come out. Just see their faces whenever they're going through the fire truck.
Captain Eddington says staying calm, acting fast, and knowing your escape before a fire occurs is key to staying safe.
Safety plans and fire prevention events, while fun, aren't just for school children. Fires affect all ages, so it is important to have a plan in place in case one does occur. Visit nfpa.org for more information on how you can best prepare yourself. Again, that is nfpa.org. For reporting live in Denton, Brianna Adams, NT Daily News.